This is a short training video about report submission and marking for Chemistry 2 laboratories. You will need to watch this video and complete the quiz below it before you can submit your first report for Experiment 1. You can take the quiz multiple times, but you must obtain a mark of 5 out of 5 before you can continue. For this lab, you will submit a report for each of the 5 experiments you complete. Experiment 1 is a short report. It must be submitted through Turnitin by 11:55 p.m. 1 week after the day you complete the lab. You will then rotate in groups through experiments 2 to 5. Experiments 3, 4 and 5 are 2-week experiments. You will submit one report for each experiment, and this is due 1 week after you complete Part B of that experiment. You do not submit separate reports for Parts A and B. The report for Experiment 2 is a 5-minute oral presentation. You'll present this at the start of the lab session 1 week after you complete the experiment. You must also submit your slides for this experimental report by uploading it to Turnitin by 12:30 p.m. on the day of your presentation. That is, 30 minutes before the start of the lab session. All report submission takes place through Blackboard. You will not be able to see the report submission folder until you have completed the quiz associated with this video. Inside that folder, you will find folders for each, and inside those folders, you will find Turnitin drop boxes. You must take care to submit your report to the correct folder and Dropbox. If you do not do this, your report will not be marked on time and you may lose marks. Submit your report by clicking on View Complete for the correct folder. This is what the report submission folder looks like. You can view the marking rubric by clicking here. This will show you a breakdown of how marks are allocated for this report. And you can submit your report by clicking on this button. After your report has been marked, you can also come back here to view feedback. Once you've uploaded your report, you will receive an email confirmation. If you have not received this confirmation, it's your responsibility to ensure that your report has been correctly submitted. After your report has been marked, you can access it from the Turnitin folder and see your feedback. There are 2 ways of getting feedback. First, you'll notice that there are comments on your report. If we zoom in, you can see that the comments are either speech bubbles or short phrases. You can hover over these and see the comments beneath. The second way to get feedback is to click on the rubric symbol at the bottom right-hand corner. This will bring up the breakdown of your marks for your report. So that's how you get feedback through Turnitin. Make sure you do check your report feedback so that you can improve for next time. In week 1, all students complete Experiment 1 and then write a short report on it. You must complete the quiz below this video and gain a mark of 5 out of 5 before you can submit your report. As with all other reports, this will be due at 11:55 p.m. 1 week after the lab session. This short report and others will be marked and feedback provided within a week of the due date. If you have further questions, check out the links on Blackboard. But for now, make sure you complete the quiz below this video.